Hello. This is a bit of a speedy video. The speediest of all the videos. Today I'm sculpting the head of a bear in virtual reality. Starting off with blocking out the forms, making sure to check my references. At the nose, teeth, and the eyes. Such a cuddly thing. Now this was actually a glitch, since the program I'm using is an early alpha. I found that you must use the smooth tool to get rid of these artifacts.
Look at this. It's fucking terrifying.
Oh god, what am I making? Virtual reality is amazing to sculpting. The reactiveness and ability to change the scale quickly makes working so much faster, as well as being able to sculpt while within the object is just mind-blowing. I wanted to add gestures of hair for this bear, not wanting to get too small, as the details will get lost in the printing. Keeping in mind that this needs to be 3D printed, I sculpt tiny supports for the teeth that won't be able to be seen. Oh fuck, what have I created? This thing is terrifying. This has psychopathic murderer written all over it. Oh, okay, that's not too bad. This program is called Kira, a slicing software that translates the raw information created in virtual reality and makes it readable for my printer. And here it is, fully printed. This one I ended up putting on a plaque like a trophy. I didn't record any footage of the actual printing, as I don't have a setup for time lapses. I will work on one in the future. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you.